Hello again, Saber Forum. It is E-Rock here, and I am reviewing another custom sound font for the Obsidian soundboard, the Clone Wars sound font by NinjaJesus's. It's his second one so far. And yes, I've loaded up my son's prophecy again with it, but this time I put my Bellicos's heavy grade blade on just to see what happens. And here we go. Got an awesome hum there. Oopsies. Good. So I think that got a lot of the 8 sounds, swing sounds. There are also 8 clashes on. So some pretty awesome clashes with the sound font as well. Try the lockup. We've got 2 lockups. So one has a higher rasp and the other one's more of a sort of a stockier kind of a crackle sound, which is awesome. And then the power down, there are, by the way, 2 boot sounds as well. There are 2 ignition sounds, 3 ignition sounds, and 2 shutdown sounds. This is, I have ignition sound 3 and shutdown 2. Awesome. So, alright. Thank you very much, NinjaJesus, for the Clone Wars sound font. Anybody looking to stock an Ahsoka Tano lightsaber with a bunch of sounds might want to try considering this one as well. One thing I noticed about the font was that it's not as loud as some of the fonts I've heard. I'm actually kind of digging that. I don't know, it's nice to have kind of a normal sized. And that's actually a compliment to the Obsidian for how freaking loud it is. So this font, yeah, I would say it's about medium loud. It's still loud, but this one I'm a little bit more comfortable talking over, and I kind of like that. I don't know, I didn't have to adjust any volumes or anything. That's pretty cool. Thank you for watching, and may the Force be with you. Keep them coming, guys.